How to rotate a video in Capcut. So the first step is by opening your Capcut app and then choose a video or template that you want. For example, I'll just choose this one. So you have two options in order for you to rotate a video. First is by clicking on that clip or this one you see on your screen, and you may use your two fingers and try to rotate the video that you have. You may also again click on this video first or clip first, and then what you're going to do is to scroll to the left or to the right like this one and click on edit right here. And then you may click on rotate right here. As you can see, you may rotate it. So now, as you can see, if I rotate the video or click this one, there will be a number that will appear on top. So that will indicate the degree of how much you rotated your video. So that's it. That's how you can rotate a video in CapCut.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.